Customer Hub enables you to easily purchase software licenses for your printer or account. From the Store tab, go to the filter to select the printer for which you'd like to buy software items. Then, under the Software category, select Software to view the software items available for the printer and your account. Let's open GrabCAD Print Pro as an example. As you can see here, this is an account level item, so selecting a printer is not available. I can, however, select payment terms as well as the number of users and the duration in years. Changing the duration recalculates and displays the updated price. Select the number of users here and add it to the cart. Let's have a look at another software item, Streamline Pro. This is a printer level item, so the number of users displayed is always 1. The rest of the options are the same, so I'll add it to the cart. Our cart now has 2 items with the details we entered. From here, we can either proceed to checkout or request a price quote by selecting Get Quote. To view your active software items, select My Account and then Software Licenses. The software items are listed here for both the printer level and account level software items. Alternatively, if I go to my printers and select one, I can then select any software item I already purchased and view the same information. Finally, if there are no licenses for a printer, select Buy Software Licenses and buy a license from the store.